Hey you guys, what is going on? So I'm coming at you today from here in Easton. And in Center Square, we are having a car show today. I just went and looked around, met some great people, but I wanted to film it and show you guys some of these awesome rides that are out here today. Now mind you, it's 85 degrees, sunny and beautiful out. So, let me take you with me to show you all of these fun cars. Hey guys, so as I'm walking around, I just came across this beautiful Camaro. I just spoke with the owner. He's a great guy. I just want to show you what this car looks like and how awesome it is. Check this out. Look at this maroon, kind of deep maroon, purple color. You got your engine in here. The 327, 350 horsepower, massive block just sitting in there. Beautiful. It's nothing wrong with it. The guy restored it. It's a beautiful car. Take a look on the inside. Beautiful leather everywhere. This is honestly one of the greatest looking cars I've ever seen in a long time. You guys know me, you know, I have my Volkswagen and stuff, but when it comes down to older cars, you cannot go wrong. And right next to this one, there's a beautiful 2017 all white, red Camaro SS. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Just show you around. Massive rims. Beautiful leather interior as always. I mean, guys, this is a Camaro Z28. Take a look at that. She's gorgeous. 302. Got the Camaro Z28 from 1968. High performance street machine. Guys, literally there's cool cars everywhere you look at around here. Just absolutely beautiful. I know the camera in the shade's not doing this blue teal any justice, but it is beautiful. Is this yours?
$33,500 for sale.
For sale for how much?
$33,500.
$33,500. That's a steal. I see cars like this. That one?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's beautiful. That one really is.
Had it 21 years.
21 years. Had that thing as long as I've been alive. Oh man, absolutely beautiful. I'm in like car heaven.
Yeah.
I really am. I've always had a knack for going fast.
That's real fast.
I can tell the Rally Sport Z28.
Yeah, 505 horse.
505 horse.
500 pound-foot torque.
Jesus Christ. You take it to the strip?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Should do 11s and a quarter.
11s and a quarter?
Should do it, yeah.
I can see it.
With slicks, yeah.
I can totally see it. That is awesome. Alright you guys, I just spoke with the owner of that 1969 Camaro Z28. He just told me it has 500 horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque. He just told me it does run 11s in the quarter mile. Absolutely insane. The amount of power and beautiful cars here is incredible. Let's go ahead and take a walk a little bit further. If the audio quality gets a little bad, I'm sorry, there's a live band across the circle. Everyone has their cars on, you hear them in the background. This is honestly a wonderful day to spend a Saturday afternoon. So, it's just wonderful. There's a Mach 1 Mustang sitting right here. I mean, I have to show this to you guys because it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh man. Seriously guys, fucking take a look at this. You look over here, we got the Carfax and all that stuff. 1970. My God. Brand new. This car only cost $3,800. Absolutely beautiful car, boss. Absolutely. I was just taking a video of it. I make automotive YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going around talking to people, looking at awesome cars. I'm Cody, by the way.
Cody?
Yeah.
My daughter's boyfriend's name.
Oh, wow. Look at that. So, oh, man, this is lovely. I love it.
Oh, thank you, because I did all the work myself.
Did you really?
Body work and paint, yeah.
You did the body work and the paint?
Yeah, in my garage.
Oh, my God. Body work and paint. That is incredible. That's better than half the shops.
Yeah.
Oh, my
But
God.
I'm slower than the shops.
Oh. Man, absolutely stunning, boss. Enjoy the rest of the afternoon. These car shows are absolutely awesome to meet whoever and whatever. That guy just did all of his own body work and paint and completely restored that Mustang by himself in his garage. I know you guys overheard and everything, but still, like, it's just mind-blowing the amount of love and passion these guys have for their cars. We're just looking around now. There's a C5 Corvette over there. You got a nice C7 Z06, which is absolutely stunning as well. Green Dodge Challenger. What's going on? I mean, wherever you look here, there's just awesome cars, awesome people. Everyone I've met so far has been super nice and awesome to talk to and wonderful. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera because I'm just looking at all of these beautiful cars out here right now. Look at this thing. You guys have to see this massive blower. Look at that. It's coming out of the hood and all. This thing is huge. Huge! Like, this is incredible. It's like this thing's like a legit race car. Now back to legit race cars. You guys have got to see this. You got the Simpson parachute down here. Removed before flight. This thing's incredible, guys. It's like it's a brand new vehicle. This thing's a legit race car. Look at the nitrous. Oh my God. Another beautiful Camaro. Massive fucking blower. All the nitrous lines. Look at that engine. Oh my God, guys. I hope you guys got a really good look at that Camaro because legit race car. That is a legit drag car. Had the slicks, the chute, the nitrous, all of it. Incredibly beautiful. The more you look around, the more you start to see your more common cars, Mustangs, and everything like that. Corvettes, Camaros, the whole 9 yards. But there's just so much going on down here for how small this area is. It's honestly insane. Alright, I know you guys are getting pretty bored of me talking and showing, having you look at my face during this beautiful car show. So I'm just going to walk around and show you guys all the cars, and I'll be right back.